Hey coders, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you a quick trick in Visual Studio Code how to collapse all your function or code blocks in second. Perfect for keeping your workspace clean and confused. So let's get started. First of all, open the VS Code. After opening the VS Code, press Ctrl plus K on the Windows. Then press Ctrl 0. After pressing it, this collapses all code blocks in the current file. Now method 2 is to open. Go to the menu. First of all, I will open my file. Now go to the top menu and you will see the view option. Then go to the command palette. Here, or you can simply click on Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Here, type folder FOLD all and simply enter it. And another method is using gutter icons. On the left side of your editors, click the small arrow next to the line number to collapse function one by one. You can expand everything again with Windows. In Windows, Ctrl plus K, then Ctrl plus J. In Mac, Command plus K, then Command plus J. And that's it. Now you can collapse all the functions in VS Code instantly, making your code cleaner and easier to navigate. If you found these tips useful, like this video, subscribe for more quick coding tricks, and I'll see you in the next one.